We call it the both pose or the Naukasana. Okay. Very crucial for inversion, handstand, headstand, okay, pinch mayurasana, okay. Just watch, okay, watch the technique right. First thing, get the lower back flat on floor. So my fingers also can't pass below the lower back. So it's flat, okay. Head and the neck up. When you do this, this portion gets contracted, tensed. What we want, okay. I'm deliberately also pulling it up. ये लिफ्ट करके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुए और मैंने इंटेंशनली भी उसे टाइट रखा ओके एंड लेग 60 degrees okay if you want to make it difficult rise up with the upper body more okay if it's on the back bend your knees if it's on the neck give support to the head okay we'll hold this for 45 seconds